Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix game bar not working on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix game bar not working on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System. In left pane, scroll down, click on System Components. Here you will find the game bar. Click on game bar and click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option Reset. If this system component is not working right, you can try to repair it. And the system component data would not be affected. Just click on repair button here. Now game bar is repairing and repair has been finished. Hope your problem has been solved and now game bar working properly. If system component is still not working, reset it. The system component data will be deleted. Now click on reset and again click on reset. Now game bar is resetting and reset has been finished. Hope this troubleshoot will solve your issue and game bar will work properly from now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.